believe this dream I had April 22nd, 20, regarding massive drones hovering over cities and chaos and martial law. Dream is right here, written down in my log of dreams. This is the first part. And then here is the second part. It continues on to tell what I saw in the dream. And it's amazing that we're seeing all this unfold in the media today with the drones in Jersey and other states. But more to come on this. I believe God is speaking to us to awaken. I believe this is part of the beast system that's being embedded in the